Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRATINDIA. The upcoming Indian rocket force would be incomplete without a long-range cruise missiles in its inventory. Though India has made a significant developments in the field of missile technology, long-range subsonic cruise missiles has been a matter of concern for DRDO. During the Ladakh crisis, India had deployed a small number of its long-range cruise missile NIRBHAY in the northern border, but the missile has not achieved its full potential till date. In the last development trial, NIRBHAY was successfully test-fired with the GTRE-developed Manik engine, paving the way for a full-range test. As per DRDO, the developmental trials of NIRBHAY missile is complete. User trials are expected to follow before the induction of NIRBHAY in the forthcoming rocket force of the Indian Armed Forces. The NIRBHAY program was transferred to a new missile program called Indigenous Technology Cruise Missile or ITCM starting from 2020. Developed by the Aeronautical Development Establishment Lab of DRDO, the ITCM technology demonstrator uses the subsonic cruise missile NIRBHAY platform for validating the small turbofan engine Manik with a thrust of 4.5 kN. However, the country's first cruise missile NIRBHAY was equipped with a Russian origin NPO Saturn 36MT turbofan engine. The ITCM also uses an indigenous seeker for terrain guidance. Since its inception in 2020, the ITCM has tested 4 times, resulting in partial successes. The fourth test, which took place in mid-February, was successful in demonstrating the capabilities of the Manik engine and upgraded X-band synthetic aperture radar for terrain hugging. The successful test of the STFE has cleared the way to integrate the engine into the long-range land attack cruise missile or LRLSCM, which is under development. The LRLSCM is a replacement for the NIRBHAY missile and will be developed for all land, air and marine formations. India has a better cruise missile in the form of BrahMos in its arsenal. However, limited range and exuberant price tag prohibits its mass production. NIRBHAY missile like USA Tomahawk and Russian Caliber offers a valuable option of long-range strike and low-cost missile capable of penetrating deep into the enemy territory and accurately striking high-value targets. As per the recent media reports, France is offering its naval version of SCALP missile to India with a range of 1000 km when launched from a submarine and goes up to 1400 km when launched from a warship. The turbojet powered cruise missile is subsonic and remains subsurface before taking to the skies while approaching the target. However, considering the huge requirement of subsonic cruise missiles in the upcoming rocket force, India may go for the missile development indigenously and France's offer may not be considered. India may very soon overcome the NIRBHAY missile shortcomings and the success story of BrahMos missile would be repeated once again in the near future. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and write your views and suggestions in the comments box. Jai Hind.